Today is Tempo's birthday, so we are going to bake a cake with him and Rumor. So I got this toy for Tempo forever ago for his birthday. And I had to record this separately because I think I'm going to try to make him wear it tonight for his birthday photos. I don't really know how well it's gonna work, but we'll give it a shot because I think it'd be so cute. And I believe that there's actually a toy inside. Or maybe not. Packed with fluff, super stretch. Okay, I guess not. But it's still super duper cute. And oh my goodness, you want it so bad. Cut off the tag, so now we're gonna see if it'll actually stand up on his head or if it's still too heavy. I know, you just want to play with it so bad. Wait. Leave it. Good boy. Your hat is beautiful. Look at you. Yeah. The gang's all here for Tempo's last night as a 2-year-old. So crazy. They're getting so old. And Rumor's gonna be 5 next year. Makes me so sad. In February. But tomorrow is Tempo's birthday. So we have to celebrate. I love you so much. He likes to be upside down. Happy birthday, Tempo. Happy birthday. Hi, good morning. Hi, Tempo. Come here. Oh, good morning. Happy birthday. How are you doing? Yeah. Okay, goodbye. Oh, it's really early. Don't bark. Happy birthday, though. Today we are going to use puppy cake to make a dog-safe cake for Tempo. We've used the cakes before in the past, and they've all done pretty well, so we'll see what happens. And this time it is banana flavor. Are you just so excited? Yeah, you're never allowed on the kitchen table, but today is the exception. Okay, sit. So I already have the oven preheating to 350, because that's what it says to do. Sit. And this might be a very interesting time. All right, so very important is our instructions. So in a medium mixing bowl, we're gonna stir the banana cake mix with the egg, oil, and water until smooth. And then we will bake it for 30 to 32 minutes. So while it is baking, I'm going to show Tempo his presents. Yay! All right, so let's get started. And it comes with a candle, which is super awesome. And then this is the icing mix. So I'm going to set that to the side for now. And I know eventually we pour it back into the silicone mold. Put the trash there for right now. Hopefully I don't need scissors for this, Tempo. Okay, it tore really easily. Ooh, that's really powdery. Now, normally I do not bake like this, but again, it is Tempo's birthday, so it seems fitting to have an exception to the rule. Sit. Because dog hair is definitely getting in this. Okay, so egg. We will crack that egg. Leave it, do not lick it out. of the bowl, please. Egg is done. Next, oil. And we are doing 1/4 cup. I did not have a 1/4 cup clean, so we are doing 1/2. Oops. That might be a little much. There we go. And then we need 3/4 water. It's the same thing, I'm just gonna use the 1/2 cup. I'm just gonna use a fork to mix this up. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see it well. Rumor, do you want to sniff as well? Rumor really likes looking outside, and since I kept the window cracked a little bit, that might be the only thing he does in this video. Alright, the batter is nice and mixed up, so now we're going to pour it into the silicone mold as best we can. Pretty. Do you want to lick it? Alright, do you want some more? Oh, the kiss. Thankfully, I have a good cleanup crew for all the spillage I did. Alright, so now we are going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Into the oven it goes. Okay, Tempo, the first thing is an antler chew. This is from Mountain Wild, and they actually gifted it to you, which is super duper nice of them. Let's see if I can get off that wrapping. Wait 1 second. I know. I should have done it before. There we go. Good boy. Next, and you actually saw this toy yesterday. It is a party hat. Beautiful. Do you love it? Oh, you look beautiful. And lastly, Tempo, I have one more present for you. It's a flamingo. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at it. Get it. Oh. Yeah. Let's take the tags off really quick. Yeah, you pull it. Ready? Good boy. Oh, the tag is not the present. I think it's safe to say he loves the flamingo and the party hat. Hi, Tempo. Go. I can't wait to disinfect this whole table. Anyways, so for Rumor's 3rd birthday, almost 2 years ago, which is crazy, I actually gave him a shot. And don't worry, it was just sparkling water. But I forgot to get sparkling water, so today we are going to be using lemon juice. Ooh! And unfortunately, I did not think ahead of time. So we are just going to be reusing Rumor's shot glass, which means I think they both should be allowed to participate. But of course, the birthday boy gets to go first. Alrighty. Yummy! Do you like it? Yeah? Or is it yucky? Oh, is it yucky? Kind of. Okay, Rumor, your turn. Rumor's like, I hate this stupid shot glass. It's always gross stuff. And I think it's only fair if I participate as well, but I'm gonna cheat and just use the cap. Ooh, it's spilling everywhere. Woo! Ah. Amazing. Cake itself is still pretty warm, but we're gonna call that good enough and move on to the icing. So I think it's just the mix and water. Yep, okay, perfect. First, we are going to put in the icing mix. Okay, and now, oh, don't, no. Don't eat it. And now, Mama, no. And now we will put in 2 things of water. Rumor, no. And now we'll mix it up. I might need to add more water. We lapped up quite a bit in just a few seconds there. It's pretty thick, which I don't know if is good or bad for frosting, really. I think we'll add just a little bit more water. Okay, somehow it's still very liquidy. I don't know how I messed that up so good. But we will just pour on the liquid frosting regardless. It's beautiful. And it's spilling everywhere. You know, it's perfect. It's great. It's great. It's really, really beautiful. Okay. Now we're gonna add the candle. And we're gonna be so very careful and not burn down the house. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tempo. Happy birthday to you. Okay, can you blow out your candle? Ready? Ah, good job! Yay! Okay.